Here I'm going to show you how to hide video using MX Video Player. Now to hide video using MX Player, now open the application. Here inside the application, now slide you reach me. Here on me, click on it. Here you can see private folder. Now click on this private folder. Now enter the password you enter while opening it. Now after entering the password, it will open. Now here, click on this plus icon here. Now here, open the folder where you kept the video. Here, click on the video or mark it all. You can see marking icon here. Here I will select the video. Now click on the video. Now click on add now. Now click on OK. Now go back like this by clicking on back navigation. You can see the video on top here. See the video here. You can see it. You see it. You can play it by clicking on this play icon here and watch the video. To play hidden video in MX Video Player, press Video Player. Now to play hidden video in MX Video Player, let's dive into the tutorial. Try to read the MX Video Player here. Now you can see it. You see it. Also the first time when you are logging in, it will ask you to select the folder where you'll be hiding the hidden video, but the hidden video won't show on the folder if you check it, in order for it to be saved for you. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more tech tutorial. And also if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Watch this video on the screen in order to know how to watch hidden video where I show you the first time request, and also watch this video on the side here in order to know how to hide application for safety. Thank you for watching once again. See you on the next video. Peace.